To start with, let's know the meaning of divisible first. A number is divisible by a number if there is no remainder when you divide the numbers. Is 25 divisible by 5? Yes, because when you divide 25 by 5, there's no remainder. So, let's start with our lesson. Divisibility rules for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is an even number or 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Example, 240. The last digit is 0, so it's an even number. So yes, it is divisible by 2. 1,284. The last digit is 4. It's an even number. So yes. We have 12,343. The last digit is 3. It's not an even number. So no, it's not divisible by 2. Okay, so let's have divisibility rules for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Example, we have 240. The last digit is 0. So yes, sabi kasi dito, the last digit is 0 or 5. It is divisible by 5. So yes. 1,284. If the last digit is 0 or 5, since it's not, so no. 12,343. The last digit is not 0, it's not 5, so no. 12,455. The last digit is 5. So according to the rule, if it's the last digit is 0 or 5, so it's a yes. Divisibility rules for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. 240. The last digit is 0, so yes. 1,284. The last digit is 4, so no. 12,343. The last digit is 3, so no. And 12,455. The last digit is 5, so no.